Debbie from Project 39, and I want to show you a couple of mini albums I made. These are mini albums. This measures 4.5 by 3.5, and it's got about 1.5 inches spine. I'm going to do the kitty cat one first. I was using up papers in my stash, and I just thought I'd make cute little mini albums from the leftover papers in the collection. So C is for cat, there's a little spool of yarn. And again, the pages are fairly small. If you have like a 3 by 3 picture you can crop down, or 3 by 4, you could put the pictures in there. Usually there's a lot of extraneous things in a picture you can cut down. I left room here to journal, so if you got a new kitty cat and you wanted to write about it, there's room there. And then these can lift up to put pictures underneath. So again, I used several different collections to make these pages. Room to journal here, and room for a picture if you want to do it that way. The dog did it. That's cute. Love the fish bones. Those are adorable. Okay, and that's that little mini album. C is for cat. And here's a D is for dog. So again, I'm using up papers and stickers that's open there, so you can just put a picture underneath it. There's actually a lot of pages in this mini album. They're small, but there's a lot of pages, and don't feel like you have to fill every page with a picture. I mean, you could leave that alone and put a picture there. This actually goes with the cat one. You had me at meow, what a good kitty. So you can cut these out and put on top of the pictures. I'll put that with the meow one. And then here's the last of the 3 little ones. Just again using stickers from a couple different collections. I think this is called Cooper and Friends Photo Play, I believe. This was Echo Park Bark. This was just paper that I had in my stash. So again, I mixed up a lot of collections. I think it works really well together. And again, such a cute little, that's the main page for the bark. Okay, here's the one for the dog. You had me at woof. Love is a 4-letter word. So again, if you wanted to put a picture, let's say you put a picture here, you could cut down my furry friend, or woof woof woof, and just glue it on top of the picture. So that will stay with the mini albums. And there we go. So these are 3 mini albums I made from papers in my stash. I hope you enjoyed watching me use up what I have in my stash. Thanks for watching.